Fasten your seatbelts and join the laughter at Aviation MP4, where pilots and controllers exchange witty remarks in the friendliest airspace on the internet.
Blue Street, 5509er, just heads up that traffic passing below you, flight of 6 F-35.
5509, traffic's in sight, too close for missile, switch to guns.
Hey, that might be the funniest thing I've ever heard in my entire life, man.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir, we do not allow delays here at Kennedy.
Can I get that recording of that sent to my email?
It'll probably be on YouTube tomorrow.
Not an emergency?
Negative. No, we have an engine failure, but not an emergency.
Oh, not an emergency. Okay, just so an engine failure, but you're not an emergency. Are you overweight landing, they want to know?
Not at all. No, not even that.
Not even that?
At 89, which direction would you like us to face?
Oh, you better face the front, sir, because if you're looking at the passengers and trying to fly, they get scared.
Blue Street, 5509er, just heads up that traffic passing below you, flight of 6 F-35.
5509, traffic's in sight, too close for missile, switch to guns.
Hey, that might be the funniest thing I've ever heard in my entire life, man.
Because, my God, there's another plane out there. It's like 6 miles away. Your attitude is really something, sir. We're out here on mic. Good morning.
Good morning. There was no attitude. I was just trying to correct you. That's my job, to correct you if you mess up. I'm trying to make sure everybody's done what I asked them to do for certain reasons.
All right, I make a mistake every 2 to 3 minutes, but my attitude is not like yours. Settle down, Captain Happy.
Bonanza 296, hold short 17 at Bravo, waiting local release.
Hold short of 17. You just call me a banana?
No sir, you did not hear that correctly.
I heard it.
Right behind that Lufthansa 747. Once he exits the alleyway there, we'll be able to make a right turn and head into the gate area. Thank you for remaining seated until I will turn off the seatbelt sign once we park at the gate. Until that time, please remain seated. Again, welcome to New York. It's a beautiful evening here, about 70 degrees right now.
Let the abuse start. Come on, you can't let him get away with that.
Nice breeze.
Welcome to New York.
Welcome to New York.
Thank you.
Good to be here. What was the temperature again?
Where's our gate?
Pack code 415. I've always wanted to say this. Thanks for the opportunity. Director Weed.
Yeah, direct weed. Pack code 415. Right on, brother.
Number 47 for departure.
Okay, we have a really ill passenger. We have to get him to London. Can we get priority taxi?
Nice. I'm going to try that one later.
Wow, April Fool's Day.
Just my iPad died that do not have the approach plate.
I'm not sure what the problem is, but I've been speaking very slowly and very clearly, and I can't say things any simpler. If you require some kind of assistance or is this an emergency, you need to let us know. 27183 Victor, do you require any assistance?
I apologize for my iPad problem.
7183 Victor, any way you want to do it, go to Jaws Route intersection. I don't care how you do it, I'll stay out of your way. Just let me know when you're inbound on the approach at Jaws Route, please. Okay, I've been giving you vectors for the last 20 minutes, and it's been a struggle.
Just my iPad died that do not have the approach plate, and I can't identify this junction you're talking about.
Thank you for soaring through the skies of laughter with us at Aviation MP4. If you enjoyed the comedic journey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, buckle up for more aviation humor, and stay tuned for our next destination of joy. Safe landings until then.